Winter isn't just for hibernating and binge-watching shows. It's the perfect time to slow down, get creative, and treat yourself. From cozy self-care to little productive habits, this season can be both relaxing and inspiring. Cozy Projects Winter is the perfect time to slow down and make something with your own hands. You can start by painting a winter scene, maybe snow, candles, cozy windows, or just soft colors that feel warm. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just for fun. Making beaded bracelets, necklaces, or keychains is another way to relax. Picking colors you love makes it feel personal and calming. You can also make your room feel cozy by adding fairy lights, posters, or cute quotes. A small change like this can make your space feel warm and safe, like a little winter hideaway. Old jars or things you don't use anymore can become something new: a pen holder, a candle jar, or makeup storage. It's creative and useful at the same time. Crocheting or knitting might seem tricky at first, but once you learn the basics, it becomes addictive. Even a small scarf or coaster feels like an achievement. If you like screens, try making stickers or digital art online. It's a fun way to be creative without any pressure. Finally, scrapbooking your winter memories can make you slow down and notice the little things that make this season special. Later, you'll love flipping through it and remembering these cozy moments. Being creative. Trying new handwriting styles or calligraphy is an underrated winter activity. You don't need fancy tools, just a pen and paper. Practicing daily improves focus and patience. Making a mini vision board for 2026 gives direction to your dreams. It's not about perfection, it's about clarity. Choose goals that feel exciting and realistic. Taking photos in winter is also a nice way to slow down and notice the small, beautiful moments around you. Sunsets, cups of tea, shadows, or your cozy corner, anything can be special. You can turn them into a memory album or edit them for content to remember these little joys. Creativity isn't about being talented. It's about expressing yourself and having fun. Winter gives you the perfect time to try new things without rushing. Making something with your hands, or even on paper, can make you feel productive while still resting. It also helps reduce stress and keeps your mind busy in a good way. Even just one creative habit can make your days feel warmer and happier. Let this winter be the season you explore your artistic side. You might be surprised by what you enjoy. Try making treats. Winter vacation is the perfect time to try new things in the kitchen without any pressure. Baking cookies, brownies, bread, or simple pastries fills your home with warmth and a cozy smell. The experience is worth it, even if it doesn't turn out perfect. Making a winter drink like hot chocolate, smoothies, or fancy tea feels like self-care. You can mix flavors the way you like and even make it a daily treat. Trying a new recipe you've never cooked before builds confidence. Start small and build up from there. Planning themed snacks or cozy meals for yourself or your family makes ordinary days feel special. You could do a movie night menu or a comfort food day. Cooking teaches patience, creativity, and a new hobby. It also helps you appreciate food more. Winter meals feel special because they bring people together. Even cooking alone can feel comforting. Food isn't just fuel. It's an experience. Use this winter to have fun, get creative, and enjoy a happier, more relaxed relationship with cooking. And the best part? Every little dish you make is a chance to create memories and moments that feel cozy and warm. Don't be afraid to experiment. Mistakes can be the funniest and most memorable part. By the end of winter, you might just surprise yourself with how much you've learned and enjoyed in the kitchen. Self-care and wellness. Winter isn't the time to push yourself non-stop. It's the time to take care of your body gently. Doing a little yoga or a short home workout keeps you moving without any pressure. Even 10 minutes counts. Plan a cozy spa day for you to feel fresh. Going for winter walks or light outdoor exercise can lift your mood and energy. Fresh air clears your mind more than you think. And yes, movie marathons with blankets and snacks count as self-care too. Rest isn't wasted time. It's what helps you feel ready again. Journaling is another simple way to take care of yourself. Writing down your thoughts, goals, or things you're grateful for clears your head and makes space for new ideas. Creating a self-care routine with masks, skincare, or bath rituals makes you feel put together. Just consistency matters. Winter self-care is really about comfort, balance, and slowing down. Use this time to reconnect with yourself and recharge. You deserve it. Even small moments of care can change how you feel each day. Let yourself enjoy the calm, cozy vibes that winter naturally brings. Learning and personal growth. Winter vacation is the perfect time to learn and grow without pressure. You can start a new language using apps. Even 5 minutes a day slowly builds progress. Watching helpful YouTube videos or taking simple online courses like Canva, photo editing, video editing, or freelancing skills can be fun and also help you earn in the future. Learning about online work, content creation, or digital skills now can open many doors later. Catching up on studies during winter removes stress and makes things easier ahead. Short daily sessions are much better than long, tiring ones. Reading books you enjoy improves vocabulary, grammar, and thinking naturally. Trying fashion tips and outfits at home helps you discover your style, develop fashion sense, and boost confidence. Improving in your favorite sport like tennis, basketball, or any other game you love keeps you active and disciplined. Practicing hobbies you already enjoy helps you grow without rushing. Winter is the time for quiet progress, small steps, and becoming better at your own pace. Organization and productivity. Organizing your phone is a simple but powerful way to reset. Delete apps you don't need, sort your photos, and organize your notes. It can actually make your mind feel lighter. Cleaning and redecorating your room makes your space feel fresh. A clean room helps you think clearly. Planning your winter goals or making a fun to-do list gives your days purpose. Like cleaning your wardrobe, improving in study, or even donating your old clothes can get you rid of all the chaos going on. Being productive doesn't mean being busy all the time. It means doing things that actually matter. Making a memory jar for 2026 is a beautiful habit. Write down small happy moments as they happen so you don't forget the best things happen to you. Trying new routines helps you find what actually works for you. Do that routine for 2 to 4 weeks at least. Consistency doesn't happen overnight, and your winter routines don't have to be strict. They just need to make life easier. When your environment is clean and organized, your mind feels lighter. Small changes make a big difference. Winter isn't meant to be lazy in your bed. This winter will be different this time. Take this season to slow down, try new things, and be kind to yourself. Even this harsh winter can bring you joy and improve you. When spring comes, you'll realize you weren't just resting, you were becoming a better version of you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.